Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we will learn how to check the temperature of the CPU of the core. It is very easy. You just have to go to Google and download an app named Core Temp. I'm going to put it on the description. Click it, then download it. Then once it is downloaded, install it. So we have installed it, and you can see here the temperature of the cores. You see 68 degrees Celsius. You can change a lot of the stuff like on the settings, like how you want information, the display. But the basic display is here. The information, you have the model, you have the platform, frequency, you have the temperature here, the max one and the minimum one too. So this is how you check the core temp. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe.